Yes, children, today we are going to revise direct and inverse variations. Variation means change. In maths, it means change in one quantity due to change in another quantity. Let's see, beta, we have two types of variations, direct variations and indirect variations. What are direct variations? Suppose I have two quantities, x and y. If one quantity is increasing, along with that other is also increasing. If that is decreasing, other is also decreasing. So we have same relation, increasing, decreasing. So this type of variations are called direct variations. Okay, so I can give you examples, beta, like cost of articles varies directly to the number of articles. For example, if I am going to purchase pens from market, if I am purchasing more pens, I will pay more money, more cost. Less pens, less cost. Okay. Same way, I can say work done varies directly to the number of men at work. Means, if more men at work, more work will be done. If less men at work, less work will be done. Right? So, this is called direct variations. Okay. Now we are talking about indirect variations. What is there? But one more way I can say that two quantities are said to be varied directly if ratio of x upon y is constant. Constant can be any constant k. Okay. And beta, in indirect variation, what is there? If one thing, suppose this is x and this is y. If x is increasing, y is decreasing. If x is decreasing, y is increasing, means they have unlike relation, opposite relation. If one thing is increasing, other is decreasing. If first is decreasing, second is increasing. For example, time taken to finish a work varies inversely to the number of men at work. Beta, see, more men at work, less time will be taken to finish the work. Less men at work, more time will be taken to finish the work. Right? So more men, less time, less men, more time. So this is the indirect example of inverse variations. Okay. Same way, I can say that. So beta, direct variation means ratio of quantities is constant. Okay. Indirect variation means product of them is constant. So beta, what I will do, how we will solve the question, our first step is we have to recognize what type of question it is, whether it is of direct variation, whether it is of indirect variation. If it is of direct variation, means ratio of quantities is same, so I can keep the ratio same. Okay, and by cross multiplying I will solve. So what I have to do, I have to do cross multiplication whenever we have a question of direct variation. And in case of indirect variation, beta, I have to take straight multiplication. According to questions, it will be clear to you. Let's see first question. A person earns rupees 5,100 in 3 weeks. Okay. How long will it take him to earn rupees 8,500? Beta, we can see that in this we have two variables, right? They have given that person is earning this much in 3 weeks. Means they have given earning, right? Earning in rupees, right? And they have given us number of weeks, right? Means they have given us time, right? I can say time. So this question, beta, see. If person is working for more number of weeks, he will earn more money. Less number of weeks, less money. So more weeks, more earning, less weeks, less earning. It means this question is of direct variation, right? If one thing is increasing, other is also increasing with that. So I am writing the amounts which they have given. He is earning rupees 5,100 in 3 weeks, right? Number of weeks I have written. They are saying how long will it take him to earn rupees 8,500. 8,500 in how many weeks? So this is unknown, na? I can take it as x. Okay, beta, because this is question of direct variation, means this upon this is equal to this upon this by definition. And if their ratios are same, I can do their cross multiplication. Means multiply this and this and multiply this and this and keep them equal. So you will be able to find the value of x. So I am doing 5,100 into x is equal to 8,500 into 3. I want to find value of x. X will be left on left side This 5100 will go on right hand side, it will come in denominator. Right beta? These two zeros cancelled. See, 17 3s are 51, 17 5s are 85. Okay, now this 3 is cancelled with 3. So answer is 5. Means in 5 weeks, this person will earn rupees 8,500. Okay. Coming to next question. I hope it is clear. You just have in this, if 36 workers can build a room in 12 days, how many days will 16 workers take to build the same room? See beta, what factors are given in that? First I will make a table. My first step is to make the table. Okay, whatever quantities are given, that you have to write in this. Okay, so in this they are talking about number of workers, right? And they are talking about time, right? And time is given to be in days. You can write number of days. They have given if 36 workers were working, they were completing the room in 12 days. So they are asking how many days will 16 workers will take to build the same room. So this I don't know how much time will be taken by them. So I can take it as x, right? My purpose is to find the value of x. Now beta you see. If more workers will be there, less time will be taken. If less workers will be there, more time will be taken. So we have opposite relation. If one thing is increasing, other is decreasing. So this is case of indirect variation. And what we will do in indirect variation, I have told you that their product is always constant. So I will do straight multiplication. Multiply this with this, multiply this with this, and keep them equal. So 36 into 12 is equal to 16 into x. Now I want to find the value of x. X will be left here and this 16 will come in denominator. Okay. That doesn't matter whether x is on left side or right side. I just want to find the value of x. So beta see, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. This will be 4 9s are 36. So 9 into 3, 27. So I have come to know that in 27 days, this work will be completed by 16 workers. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Coming to next beta. Now till now we have to understand what type of variation is there. If we have direct variation, we will do cross multiplication. If we have indirect variation, we will do straight multiplication. Okay beta. Now mixture of questions can also come. Beta, in this 3 variables will be given to you. Okay. So this is known as compound variation. Okay. In compound variation, 3 variables will be there and 1 will be missing. So whatever will be missing now, that will be kept in center. You have to keep in mind. And you have to see its relation with other 2 quantities. So how to do? Let's see one example. If 1800 binders bind 900 books in 10 days, how many binders will be required to bind 660 books in 12 days? See beta, they have given us binders. Okay, they are saying na how many binders, means binders are missing na, so I will keep binders in the middle. Okay, they have told that 1800 binders bind 900 books, means other factor is number of books, right? And what is third factor? In 10 days, means they have given us time, number of days. So we have 3 factors in this: binders, number of books, and number of days. So I have made a table like that. I have told you whichever is missing, keep it in center. So I have written binders in center. Now you have to see relation of binder with number of books and relation of binder with number of days. One thing you do, first what they have given, that you write. Beta, they have given if 1800 binders were there na, they were binding 900 books in 10 days, means number of days 10s. How many binders, means I will take it as x. Okay, I don't know how many binders are there. Earlier they were 1800 and will be required to bind 660 books in 12 days. Okay, so beta see, we have to find the number of binders na. So how I will see? I will first find relation between this and this. You see number of binders and number of books. See beta, if more binders will be there, more books will be binded. If less binders will be there, less books will be binded. So more, less means direct variation. Okay. Now means here I will do cross multiplication. I have told you whenever we have direct variation, we will do cross multiplication. Okay. And now coming to binders and number of days. See beta relation. If more binders will be there, they will take less time to bind the books, right? And less number of binders means they will take more time to bind the books. More binders, less days. Less binders, more days. So this is indirect variation, okay? Opposite relation. So because it is indirect, I will take straight multiplication. Straight, okay? Means they are related straight, this with this with this. Now you see the arrows, and in the direction of arrows we will move. Start from the uppermost corner. 900 is going to x, right? And x is going to 12. X into 12 is equal to, start with 660 uppermost corner. It is going with 1800 and next arrow is going with 10. Okay, keep them equal. Now I will solve to find the value of x. So beta, this 660 into 1800 into 10 upon this 900 will come in denominator into 12. These two zeros will be cancelled, right? Okay, 9 2s are 18, right? And after that this 2 6s are 12, and this 6 will be cancelled with 66, 660. So 110 into this 110 into 10 na? So means 1100 binders will bind the 660 books in 12 days. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay beta, so that's all about this chapter. Practice each and every question, practice each and every example, prepare for your online exams. Okay beta, thank you.